beings.
第6章如何求度众生。
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the bow? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to you, for this is your most auspicious day. Today you have received the bow, which is the ultimate aim of existence. All of the Buddhas and saints attained the bow in the past, and, by transcending the limitations of birth and death, had become immortal. That which you have received today is the same bow. Formerly, one who intended to receive the bow had to abandon worldly possessions and enjoyments. If he was a king, he had to abandon his kingdom. If he was a high official, he had to resign his high position, leave his family and go to the remote mountains to seek a master who would transmit the Tao to him. After much suffering